contact is extremely important in social situations, but also in business, because building relationships is one of the main building blocks of any successful venture. And being able to hold this confident but also genuine and friendly eye contact is something that will bring you respect of other people and make you look very confident. Unfortunately, so many people are very anxious when they are looking into other person's eyes. And you probably saw it, maybe you experienced it yourself. You look directly into somebody's eyes and you feel a little bit uncomfortable. You feel some strange feeling deep in your stomach. You can't explain it, but you feel overwhelmed. Now, in this video, I'm gonna give you an amazing trick that's very simple. You can apply it pretty much straight away, but it really works and it will make you more confident and more comfortable when maintaining eye contact. And also I'm going to share with you one of the biggest mistakes people make in terms of eye contact when speaking to a group of people. Now, next time when you speak to somebody who intimidates you, or you enter any uncomfortable situation where you feel like, if you maintain strong eye contact with somebody, you may feel a little bit uncomfortable. You may even lose your composure, but you don't want to risk it. Instead of looking directly into their eyes, look at their nose or their forehead. Now you may think that I'm crazy, okay? Why would you look at their nose or the forehead? But the truth is that they won't see the difference. I mean, really, try it with your friends and you're gonna see that it works. Obviously, when you want to kiss somebody and you're 20 centimeters from that person and you look at their nose, then they're gonna notice the difference. But generally speaking, when you are 1 meter from somebody and you look either here or here, they will not see the difference. They will think that you are looking directly into their eyes, but you're gonna feel more comfortable. You're gonna see the difference yourself. Now, the bigger the distance between you and the other person, the further you can drift away with your eyes, okay? So for example, if somebody's standing 2 meters from me, I can look at their forehead and they will still think that I'm looking directly into their eyes. But if they go further away and the distance between us is maybe 5 or 6 meters, I can look here, above their heads, and they will still think that I'm looking directly into their eyes. And really try it for yourself. Don't take my word for granted, okay? Because it really works. And actually, this principle is widely used in public speaking, especially when you have to speak in front of many different people in a very bright room where people can intimidate you because you can see their faces very clearly. And for example, you may look at different people, you have this eye contact with different people, and then suddenly you notice this grumpy face somewhere in the audience. And you start losing composure because you look at that person and you think, he has a grumpy face. Maybe he doesn't like what I'm talking about. And you get a bit self-conscious and you start losing your composure. It's an amazing trick. Now, you shouldn't use this trick all the time because, obviously it's really good to have real direct eye contact. For example, myself, I like to look straight into other person's eyes. I just like the feeling of having that connection. But you can use this trick whenever you approach any uncomfortable situation, whenever you need some sort of boost of confidence. Maybe you know that you'll be speaking to a big CEO. Maybe you are attending a big business meeting with a bunch of business partners. They're a bit intimidating and they're high-level people. And if you want to make sure that you will not lose composure, that you will stay confident and you will feel comfortable, instead of looking directly into their eyes, look here or here. And again, as I said, it will not make any difference to them. They will think that you are looking directly into their eyes. Now, the second thing I want to discuss is one of the biggest mistakes people make in terms of eye contact within a group. So I'm sure you had a situation where you were in a group of people, maybe you went to a networking event and you had this one of these circles, 5, 6, maybe 7 people, and one person was speaking. Now the problem was that person was looking only at one other person within the circle, okay? He or she wasn't given any eye contact, any acknowledgement to other people within the circle. Now, how did you feel in that situation? Now, obviously, you didn't feel the appreciation. You didn't feel that, that person gave you enough respect. Don't be that person. Whenever you speak to a group of people, make sure that you give eye contact to every single person in the room. I mean, every single person within your circle. Even if you are talking mostly to one specific person. Because, for example, something you are discussing is inextricably connected to their specific circumstances, still, give a little bit of eye contact to every single person within a circle. So, for example, you're talking to this one person, discussing something very deeply. You look at that person for maybe 10 seconds. Right after, give maybe 1 or 2 seconds of eye contact to each one of these other people. So you make them feel appreciated. So you show them respect. You show them that they are welcome there. Because otherwise they think, you know, that person is not even looking at me. Why would I stick around? Okay? They stop valuing you. Okay? They lose respect to you because they feel that you don't respect them. And by the way, when you look at all the great leaders, whenever they speak to bigger groups of people, I mean, I'm not talking about a big audience. I'm talking about, you know, being in a circle of 5, 10, maybe 15 people. They always try to give some eye contact to everybody just to make them feel appreciated. Anyway, it was a very short video. I really hope that some of these things I discussed will help you on your journey, will make you, feel more confident about your eye contact. Please let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to click like underneath the video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel to get these videos right away. And if you think that one of your friends may enjoy this video, may find it beneficial, may find it useful, please share it on your Facebook, Twitter, or your email. It doesn't really matter. It takes 2 or 3 seconds, but it may help somebody else as well.